So over here you can see that I have this video footage right here, and if I were to press the play button, then you can see that the playback of this video is quite smooth for now. But what you may want to do is you may want to go around and add in an effect so that it stutters and stops in between to make it look like it is damaged. In that case, you can go around under effects right here, and once you do that, you can go under grunge right here, and here you can see that stutter is an effect. So if I were to go around and click and drag out the stutter over here, then what happens is that it stutters out. So as I play, you can see that it stutters out right here and hangs out right here, and it's not very smooth right here. You can go around and change around the freeze frame right here, just like this, to even more length, and what happens is that it stutters out right here. So you really want to go around and make it, let's say for example, stutter out right here and skip out a few frames, then you can utilize this technique right here. You can also go around and change around the frame start right here, just like this. And then what happens is that if I were to go around, you can see that after a while, it starts out like that, just like that. And that is how you can utilize the stutter effect to make your video footage more choppy, to make it look a bit more damaged when needed inside of HitFilm. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.